So yeah guys, let's just assume that you already know how to trade at this point, but your win rate is still low, right? So what I'm going to show you now is just going to improve your win rate, you understand? So this is also what I've also been using in our signals group. At least it was able to help us to, like, from 11 May we've not had any losing day, right? From 11 May we've not have any losing day in our signals group. Let me just show you. So from 11 May, as you can see, we've not lost any single trade. So what I'm going to show you now is going to help you improve your winning rate. At least it's going to show you when or which areas has higher probability. So on this day, yeah, this was just a drawdown, but we did not lose this trade. We ended up securing this trade. So yeah, but anyway, yeah, if you don't know how to trade yet, you can subscribe to our mentorship. On this day, on this day, we had a losing trade, but we don't have a losing day. We still won on that day. So the only day that we had a losing trade or a losing day was on 11 May. So this is how accurate what I'm going to show you now. This is how accurate it is. So let me just also like show you how I've been taking these trades. As you can see, that was 11, the time that we lost. So this is how accurate it has been. Then on this day, that's the day we lost, but we still had a winning day. We got a second trade that we won. You need two things, right? The first thing that you need to do is that you need to check the direction of the market, right? You need to go, the first rule is that you have to go with the flow of the market. So if you can just zoom out, what you just, any time frame, you can just choose any time frame, whether it's 15, it's whatever time frame it is. When you just zoom out like this, you are going to see where the market is going. So as you can see, the market has been in an uptrend for some time now. So you already know that if you're buying, your trades have got a higher possibility of working out than if you're selling, because if you're selling, you'll be going against the trend. So number one, figure out where that market is going. Like I said, let's assume you already know how to trade, so it shouldn't be difficult. Shouldn't be difficult for you to figure out where the trade is going. So this is an uptrend. Now the second thing that you're going to do is that you are going to go into indicators, then you're going to search for imbalance, right? This is the imbalance that you're going to search for. Just search for imbalance by, because you're going to find a lot of imbalances there. Because if you search imbalance, if you're going to search imbalance, you're going to find a lot of them here, but you're going to choose this one for Wolf Trader 155. This is the one you're going to choose. You're going to add it to your favorite, and then after that you're going to click it, right? After you click it, it's going to come here. Then you're just going to go to settings. So when at settings, you're going to choose the same color on both here. If it's red, then here it's also red. If it's white, white. So because my background is black, I chose white. This indicator is going to highlight all the imbalances I have on the chart. Because I chose white, so when I switch it on like that, all these are imbalances, right? All these are imbalances. So basically what we're going to do here is that after we've discovered that this is an uptrend, right? That means we want to start buying, right? So which areas do you want to buy? If this area like this, has got an imbalance, right? I want to buy below this imbalance, because I know that when market starts going down like this, it wants to fill this imbalance. So I want to start selling below this imbalance, which is here, right? So I want to start buying there like this. That is the area I want to buy from, below my imbalance. That's the only trick. So get the direction right, and then highlight your imbalance and then draw the candlestick before an imbalance. When market comes to that candlestick, that's the area you're supposed to buy from, right? And we want to highlight those imbalances whereby it also caused an impulsive move. Not every imbalance, but at least the one that caused an impulsive move to the upside. Let me show you a few examples. What do we see here? So we have imbalances in this area, right? So as you can see, as market was going down like that, and then this supply zone here failed to hold, right? So when this supply zone failed to hold and then market went up like that, right? So that means market is now going into its direction, into an uptrend. So what do you do here? You highlight the imbalances. So this imbalance there, and you also have this one here. So today I'm not going to show you how to sort these ones to see which one has a higher probability. I'm just going to show you you can buy from all these imbalances. When market comes there, you buy, right? If this zone does not hold, you try to hit stop loss, which is still fine. Then you buy from this zone. Then what did the market do? It went up, and this created an impulsive move to the upward. So it left an imbalance. So remember, we are highlighting every candle before an imbalance, and imbalances are these white candles. These white candles are the imbalance. So we're just highlighting the candlestick before that white candle, right? You can also look at that one. You see, market just came there, and so we are going to ignore all these imbalances there. Why? Because they did not cause as much as an impulsive move as this one here, right? Look at this area also. We have this one, we have this, and then we also have this area here, right? All these are three areas one would buy from, right? If you're too strict with this one, if you're buying here, you can just, it would have hit your stop loss, or you would have covered this low here. If you covered this low here, it wouldn't have hit your stop loss. Just also depends how strict you are with your stop loss size you use. But here I'm just showing you which areas you can just buy from. We have this imbalance that was left there. We highlight this candle here. You can see that it created a nice area to trade from. Understand? So the stop loss is still going to be below here. As we keep going, this one also would have been your imbalance, would have been here, and market just went up, then came down. Then we have also an imbalance here. That is also another area to trade from. So you can also cover your low like that, just to make sure that you don't get taken out, right? So as long as you're going the direction, we already know that we are buying. So all the selling setups, we are ignoring them, or all the selling imbalances, we're ignoring. For example, this one, we do not want to sell here because we are in an uptrend, understand? But this is a valid order block here, or it's a valid imbalance here. One would have sold from there, understand? You'd have gotten this trade here, but we are going to ignore it because the overall movement is an uptrend. You see here, you'd have gotten this trade here. As long as you're not planning to hold it all the way down there, then you are safe. But as long as you know what you're doing. But here I just want to show you areas you would have gotten involved in. So another area would have been here, right? So your job is just to highlight these areas and wait for the market to come here. If the market does not come here and creates another area to trade from, you would trade from there, understand? So then it came there, then you would have entered here. This is also another one you would have bought from, but it would have taken you out. So like I said, you don't know which one is going to work, but at least when you're entering at the right places, you have a higher possibility of winning the trade. If this one does not work out, you go for this one. because they all have that impulsive move. They all have that impulsive move. All these are areas you can trade from. So guys, you see how easy this is. Just using two things. You use your indicator, you use the direction of the market. If you're in a if you are in a downtrend, you do the same thing. Understand? You do the same thing. You keep selling, but you sell at areas like these ones, whereby it's a candlestick before your imbalance. Your imbalance is the white candle. Remember, at least for me, according to these colors I've selected here, your imbalance can be any color you're going to choose here under your settings, right? You'd rather choose the same color here, right? You choose the same color here and there. Don't try to swap them, otherwise you're going to have a lot of colors on your chart. Understand? So this is just for those that already know how to trade, but they just want to improve their winning rate. But if you still don't know how to trade, I do offer mentorship. You can subscribe, or if you just want signals, I also do offer signals. You can still join our signals group. This one is also an order block. Understand? So all you have to do is just highlight the area and wait for market to come to that area. Understand? So as you can see also here, you can also highlight this one here, this area there. This would have also been an area to nicely buy from. Understand? You would have can buy there, and then there's also that one there. This doesn't work out, it's fine. You lose small money, but you have a higher probability of making a lot of money because you are going with the direction of the market. So as you can see here, it said going down, right? So let's see after we have this area here, right? So I just sold here because I know I was going against the market. It's just that I saw this area here, so I knew that market was coming to this zone here. As it was falling down like that, I thought this is the only proper area it could reverse from. So that's why I sold when I saw that market created an imbalance here, impulsive. I just waited for market to come to this area, then I sold, and then just after I got a risk reward ratio of 5, I got out of the trade. As it reversed, we already know that when it is reversing like that, we are in an uptrend. It's not going to it's not going for this area so that it can drop again. No, we are in an uptrend, so we know that if market starts pushing like that, we just need to look for the right areas to sell, to buy from. Understand? So we can see that market just kept pushing. It's not giving us an area to buy. Our job is just to wait until it gives us an imbalance to buy from. Then what did it do? It gave us an imbalance here to buy from. You can buy from there. You buy from there, you ride the market. So it also left an imbalance here, and also you could have also bought here, but it would have taken you out. Like you are saying, it's not 100% accurate, but it has a higher probability of you winning trades. You would have made money from this trade like that, then you would have lost a small portion here, which is still fine. You could have also bought from here like that. You buy from here. This is a very good area to buy from. You ride the market, and you would have also highlighted this area as a nice area to buy from. Even though it did not get mitigated, it's still fine. Even if the trade misses you, you're still going to get other opportunities to trade from. You would have also bought in this zone. So we just need to highlight those areas, as we can also see here. Market created an imbalance here. Highlight this imbalance. There's high probability market can come to this zone. So as it kept on going up, you could have also bought here would have bought there, because this is an imbalance here, right? That's an imbalance. As it comes up to fill it, you buy. Then you also highlight this. You'd have also, this is also an imbalance here, so you have an imbalance there. Market would also, there's a high chance it can come and fill that imbalance, and then you can also highlight that one there. It would have missed you here, which is still fine. It would have missed you there, which is still fine. And look at how it reacted there. So you have 3 zones that have not been mitigated. 1, 2, 3. You trade from all of the zone because you do not know which zone is going to work out. Understand? You don't know which zone is going to work out. So you try this one. It takes you out. It takes you out. It's fine. You lose small amount. Then this one, you get triggered in. You make profit. So around that area, you can even close there if you want, because it is on another. It has filled this imbalance there. Understand? So always locking profit. Immediately it goes into profit, you lock the profit, because you don't know whether the trade is going to reverse or it's going to go higher. Just lock the profit. So we also have this zone here. Let's see. As you can see here, you got triggered in this area. So as you can see, guys, as you can see here, all you have to do is use this indicator the right way. So this would have also been another one. You would have entered here. This would have taken you out, but as long as you're entering in the right areas, you understand? So how would you have gotten this one also? Let's see. We have an imbalance there, and then this, you would have gotten involved yourself again into this trade there. Guys, this is how this indicator works. That's how powerful it is. That's just, I was just showing you how you can increase your win rate. But if you want to learn how to analyze the market the proper way, if you're still struggling how to analyze the market the proper way, just subscribe to our mentorship. And guys, don't forget to follow my free Telegram group. You will learn 1 or 2 things from there also. So we are done here for today.